Glenn here, back in Studio City, Macau, where we do a lot of wonderful projects here with Powersoft. Since Macau's leisure industry has been blooming, now the time has come for big renovations. Clients for all kinds of big resort, they're looking for top-of-the-class, durable, energy-saving, cost-saving equipment. The challenge is they are having their existing system and they have their facilities running 24/7. We recommended using the UNICA series for this kind of challenging positions because they need to have good DSP control for different types of speaker and then also work perfectly with the control system and the music servers. But they also need to sound very unique. So that makes very challenging because this area, they have ceiling speakers, they have line array speakers, they have point source speakers, and all different kinds. And then the control make easy because they can use Dante control, AES 67s, so it's make more sensible alignment for that. EZPro is authorized distributor for Powersoft for more than 15 years. What good about Powersoft is very, very durable. We don't have any complaint from the client is that there's very, very little downtime. Our customers are very happy. It's very durable. It can work in very challenging environment. And the DSP is very, very precise. All our integrator, they love to use Powersoft because it's very, very capable, durable, and it's easy to control. Maybe the other brands, they can have a new amplifier working for maybe 3 years, but they will have damage or they have problems. But once you install the Powersoft amplifier correctly, it works for years.